Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my social media planner, which is the Encourager layout, and I'm going to be using the Pastels Mega Sticker Book. So you may notice that I changed my setup just a little bit. I actually put it on expander discs. So these are the rose gold expanders, and I took it out of the deluxe cover. I just couldn't handle the bulkiness of the deluxe cover. And then I also added in a social media tab. So I really like the Franken planning aspect of this. And so I wanted everything in one planner. So I don't have my wellness or my faith in here, but I did put my social media in here as well. So we are going to be planning for the week of January 13th through the 19th. So I did go ahead and pre-choose some stickers for this layout. So let's see what I've got chosen here. I'm going to make this like a pastel colorful type spread. So let's just start laying some things down. I'm going to start with this sticker that says Hello Good Times. And I pre-chose these stickers several days ago because today's actually Monday and I normally do my filming on Saturdays, but I have been doing some home renovations and painting, and I've actually got paint on my hand. Sorry about that. So I scrubbed my hands, but I didn't get it all off. So I'm filming a little late, so my stickers are kind of stuck to my wax paper pretty good here. But I wanted to go in with this washi down here on the bottom and just see how cute it is. There's a little fuzz or something on this one. Oh well. Let's see how well this fits on this bottom line here. And I think my nails may still be a little bit wet. I just painted them. So I'm probably going to be a little bit finicky about my nails in this video. So let's see. Get this one down here at the bottom. And y'all know I got to put some flowers in my spreads. So I just don't think, for me, that a spread is complete without a flower or 2 or 50. Alright, so that's cute down there. So I was going to take this long vertical box and put it on Saturday. Because Saturday is supposed to be my filming day. And I am right now filming on or with my phone. So I'm trying things a little bit differently. And I'm going to try to film and edit on my phone. I did that for my mini the other day, and it actually, gosh, it made my life so much easier. So I'm going to see if I can't just do it for all my videos for this week, and I may just change my whole setup. And so my whiteout is in another room. So I really don't like the way that these lines shadow through here, but I'm not going to pause this video and go grab my whiteout. So if this bothers you, it bothers me. So I'm probably going to white that out after I finish this video off camera. All right, so I like these boxes here with the circles up at the top. So I'm just going to kind of stick them down and then come in with some flower details just kind of around them. So let's see what this one looks like down here. So yeah, I think that's kind of cute down there. And I want to put this Happy Plans in the center at the first of the week. Yeah, I'm like pulling all the wax off of this wax paper because these stickers have been here so long. So I'm just going to kind of try to center this here and hope that's pretty straight. Yeah, it is. So we'll put that there. I love these colors. I don't know what it is about these pastel rainbow colors, but they make me happy. So I really like them. And now this box is not going to fit exactly in this vertical box. See, it sticks over the edges there, but I'm okay with that. So let's see. Let's put this top priority maybe over here on Wednesday. no. Well, I'm going to hold that thought for just a second because I wanted to take must do and then this circle and put it on Wednesday. So let's just see how this looks. Kind of offset just a tad. I wish I had my tweezers. My whole bag is in another room. I didn't prepare properly. So let's see. Alright. Yeah, that's kind of cute like that. Make sure that's straight. I think that's a little bit crooked, but that's okay. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this top priority sticker. Probably not. But I do want to put this Get Social over here. I think it's very cute. So I'm just going to put this just on Thursday. Okay, so I did end up pausing the video because I let my dog stay in the room with me and he was snoring. So I had to get him out of here. But I went ahead and grabbed my little bag too while I paused the video. So I like my Get Social sticker here on Thursday. And then I'm not thinking that I'm going to use top priority. Yeah, I don't see anywhere that I can use it. So now let's come in with some flowers. Let's see. I know that there are some coordinating flowers in this book if I haven't used them all. So what can we use? I like this orange here. So put that on my wax paper. And you'll see my little sticky note here that says Encourager. So what I do before I actually film, I pre-plan all my spreads and then I label them so I know which video the stickers go with. So there's my little tip of the day. I label them so I know which planner goes, or which stickers go with which planner. So now what other one do I want to use? Let's see if I can find a purple. So yeah, we've got this purple. Oh, I must have put it back on there the wrong way or in the wrong place. And so then we have this one that has teal, but I think I may use this one. So let's see where we can put these flowers now. All right. So what do I want to do with my big orange one? I think this orange one would look cute on this sticker. Maybe right here. So I'm going to cut the edge off of it just so that it'll lay flat up against this sticker. Oh, and we're going to put it right here. And I'm not going to worry about whiting out those lines under there. I think that's okay. So yeah, that's kind of cute there. I kind of wish I'd have angled it more. Let me see if I can get this to pull up. I don't know if it was on the wax paper good enough. Yeah, there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay it the way I want it, and then I'm going to take my X-Acto and just trim it off some. So I like these leaves going down towards the sticker better. Yeah, I like that better. So let me grab my X-Acto and just trim that off. See if I can get it trimmed halfway decent, straight. That was pretty good. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, that one's cute there. And then, let's see. I need to use the purple one on this side because I have purple over here. So where can I put this one? I think I'm going to lift up this yellow sticker and just place this flower behind it, if it'll lift. This may not lift up. Oops, I ripped it. Alright, cancel that. That's ruining that sticker. So, plan B. I'm going to have to try to trim around. This should be entertaining for you guys. Okay. Not too bad. I think that's going to turn out halfway decent. Let's see. Okay. Well, I'm impressed. Okay, so that's kind of cute there. I cut it a little bit too much there on that side, but that's okay. But I did kind of mess up this yellow sticker trying to peel it up. All right, now, I think I'm going to come in almost the same way with this sticker up here. And I'm not even going to try to peel that up. I'm just going to cut around it like I did the other one. So hopefully I can do this one just as good. Okay. So I apologize if I'm like not my normal talkative self. I'm kind of out of sorts with this new filming setup. It's just so strange how I think the older I get, the less I am able to adapt to changes. So I used to be like literally fly by the seat of your plans or pants, which is why I named my Instagram and this channel Fly by the Seat of Your Plans, because now I just cannot be spontaneous. Like, it gives me anxiety. So I'm a little out of sorts with this new filming setup, and I apologize. So all right, now this is my last flower, so I need to figure out what to do with it. I think I might put it up here with my happy plans. So let's see. Yep, I'm going to try to peel this up and see if I can't lay this flower under the edge here. And I hear my dog snoring out there again. So I apologize if y'all can hear that, but we have an English bulldog, and if you have ever had an English bulldog, they snore. So I don't like this flower here, so I think I'm going to move it down some if I can get it up. I think it's just sticking too far out. Oh, I'm having a time, y'all. I gotta get my stuff together here. All right, let's move this way down. Yeah, that looks better to me. Now I need to straighten out my little creases from pulling it up. So I think this turned out pretty cute, and I must have peeled all the sticky off of this little edge of sticker. All right, so that's the only thing I'm not using that I pre-chose. So I think this spread turned out pretty cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. So let's put it back in my planner here and see what it looks like. So yeah, it's looking pretty cute. So I think I'm going to call this done. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, I do hope you will consider. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell on the side. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.